This is a hot theme on social media. If a wild animal can or cannot become a pet. Under normal conditions, young wild animals need to be raised with their own kind in order to learn the skills they'll need to find food and avoid predators in the wild. But keeping wild animals as pets can be appealing. Or maybe you have to adopt an abandoned wild baby animal that you'll find at your backyard, or for other reasons. However, some wild animals are totally inappropriate for being pets, but there are others who are more convenient. In this video, we'll present you the most common wild animals that are kept as pets. Let's get started. Number 10, tarantulas. If you want to handle your pet a lot, then tarantulas aren't the best choice. But keeping them as pets can be a fascinating hobby because of the tranquility and the little space they need. There are over 900 species of tarantulas who live in places that are arid, subtropical, and tropical. They're mostly populated as pets in Chile, Mexico, and the US, and can live up to 20 years. Most of us are taught to fear because of how scary they can look. And tarantulas can bite, and their bites are venomous. Just in the US, 6 to 8 people die every year from tarantula bites. But, hold on. Here are some recommended tarantulas for beginners who are less venomous, like the pink zebra beauty, Honduran curly hair, green bottle blue, or the Mexican red knee. Number 9, emperor scorpion. Emperor scorpions are becoming increasingly popular as pets. They're quiet, clean, and easy to care for. They're mostly populated as pets in Australia and the United States. The emperor scorpion lives about 8 years and can grow to be 23 centimeters long. Although they're the giants of the scorpion world, emperor scorpions don't need a lot of room. A 10-gallon terrarium is ideal for 1 or 2 of them. Some scientists say that this scorpion is the oldest still living creature on our planet. That's pure history living in a corner of the room. Number 8, hedgehog. Habitually, most of the animals don't look cute into adulthood, but hedgehogs definitely do. Although the hedgehog is not the biggest fan of cuddling, people want to keep them as pets because they're arguably as cute as miniature horses. Hedgehogs do have teeth and they bite. Biting is typically not done out of aggression, but as a way of communication. So, if your hedgehog bites you, he might be just saying, "I love you." This critter cactus wild animal can live up to 5 years and are mostly populated as pets in Italy, France, and the United Kingdom. Number 7, Burmese python. Adult Burmese pythons are one of the biggest snakes in the world and potentially very dangerous, but one of the most unique to own too. In the wild, they'll kill their prey by using its sharp, rearward pointing teeth to seize its prey, then wrap their body around the prey, at the same time contracting its muscles, killing the prey by constriction. If you don't want to end like this, you have to be sure that your Burmese python is well fed. They're mostly populated as pets in Southeast Asia and can reach a length of over 5 meters and live up to 25 years. So think twice before you get a baby Burmese python. Number 6, skunk. Wonderful pets and very intelligent. This is what every skunk owner will tell you. Commonly, skunk pets are curious, active, playful, and they'll taste everything. Fortunately, they're very friendly and lovely with the owners too. Skunks are mostly populated as pets in the United States and Canada. Generally, they have a lifespan like small dogs, 7 to 10 years full of entertainment. Number 5, serval cat. Serval cats have long legs, a lean body, a short tail, and a small head. Golden yellow to buff color with black spots and stripes. Because they're exotic animals, you have to provide a year-round warm environment for them, and whole prey food too. Serval cats can bond with humans very well. Typically, they're a one-human cat, but they'll still retain their wild instincts, and don't be mad if they escape without saying goodbye. These wild cats are not much bigger than a medium-sized dog, with a lifespan of 20 years. They're mostly populated as pets in Saudi Arabia and Egypt. Number 4, koala. They're unique. Cute, with a fluffy gray fur and a cream-colored chest. This is why everyone loves koalas. But koalas have the smallest brain-to-body size ratio of any wild animal. This makes them, well, let's say, not the smartest animal. This is also why they have a very specialized eucalyptus diet. These are very expensive, even for the zoos. The main reason why people want them for pets is because they're quiet. Very quiet. They love to sleep. Oh yes, 22 hours a day on average. You can go to work and come back and your pet will still be sleeping. Perfect for people that love animals but don't have much time for them. So let them sleep and we'll go to number 3. Llama. Llamas are amazing. Hanging out with llamas is like a weekend chill. They have a calming and funny presence at the same time. In the traditional sense, many people wouldn't consider llamas as pets, more like livestock. But it's all about the viewpoint. Llamas are herd animals, so you need more than one. And llamas need space. A lot of space. So if you're in a city, then don't think about it. Llamas have a lifespan from 15 to 30 years. And in all these years, they require monthly checks to keep them healthy and clean from parasites. The average cost of owning a llama is $100 to $150 a month. Number 2. Wallaby. This cute miniature kangaroo lives across Australia, Tasmania, and Papua New Guinea. Wallabies are becoming increasingly popular as pets in houses who have big gardens. There are 30 different types of wallabies, but the smallest is the size of a rabbit. They don't hate company by other wallabies, but don't look for it either. And they will do well by themselves. They have great feeding habits, and they're quite sociable, which makes them great pets. Wallabies are easy to buy in Australia, and they can live up to 15 hopping years. Number 1. Squirrel monkey. No wonder everyone wants a squirrel monkey. They're cute, smart, and unique creatures in vivid colors. Squirrel monkey gets its name for looking very similar to the squirrel, and like the squirrel, loves to be on trees. But unlike the squirrel, they're much more smarter and can make a perfect pet if they're trained well. They're even smarter than most other monkeys, and the small size makes them more suitable to own them. They live about 20 active years. Their diet is very easy. Fruits, nuts, eggs, and insects. And was the squirrel monkey your first choice too? Let us know in the comments which one of these animals would you like to have. And if you liked this video, then subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when a new video arrives. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.